Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Instagram notes gift option not showing problem. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram app and now check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated to the latest version. Okay, and second, now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now open your Instagram app and back, tap on profile icon and tap on three line option. Scroll down, tap on help option and tap on report a problem and again tap on report a problem. Scroll down, tap on include and continue, and now enter your problem here. Hello Instagram team, I am experiencing an issue where the gift option in Instagram notes is not showing on my account, and another text and send off. Tap on send option and now waiting your 24 hours. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.